Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Tr plus core, tricore. Tree plus T, treat. Trick or treat. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
And I am nowhere. I am everyone, and I am no one. I am Dark Man. And boy, is it dark in here. Is it hot? Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to Classic Concentration. This, of course, is Halloween week. Yes, that's why we're doing this. Every year, they throw a couple of extra bucks into my salary envelope, and they get me to do these silly things. But I'm happy to do it because our contestants really get into the spirit, don't they? Let's welcome the lady on my right, who is Joanne Taylor. Hello, Joanne. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are into the spirit. Way to go. This lady's won about $2,000 on our program, and we have a newcomer. He's either a referee or he's practicing to be one. His name is Steve Zengut. Hiya, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Are you a referee or is this an outfit?
Just an outfit.
Good for you. Want to show, you think that's an outfit. You think this is an outfit. Check this one out.
I was working in the lab later on.
This is your friend Bela Lugosi, inviting you to do the Monster Mash with 25 of your favorite ghosts and goblins as you party into the witching hour aboard your own chartered harbor cruise. The pride of Los Angeles Harbor Cruise will take you out to sea for lunch, brunch, or a moonlit dinner. A true dining experience complete with live music and dancing, furnished by Pride of Los Angeles. Alex.
Thank you, Steve. Really a little difficult for our two contestants to get into that particular prize because they were fascinated with Marjorie and all of her friends over there. In fact, that's the guy she used to date. Shows you what just 3 or 4 months with Marjorie will do to a relationship. Wore him out. Steve and Joanne, take a look on our board and we will show you where you can find the Halloween Bash for 25. It is at number 12. We've also got, and this is a more important prize on our board, a vacation in Germany.
All right.
And we have the 5 bonus seconds for the car round. And Steve, you get to go first.
Okay, let's go right in the middle, number 13.
A recliner.
That'd be nice. Number 4.
Rosemary's Baby Crib. Rosemary's Baby Crib. Come on, that's really, oh, macabre.
Well, that would be great because I have a new baby. So, number 2.
Hearse phone.
Let's try number 20.
Frankenstein's Germany. Or, if you prefer, Frankenstein. Make a selection.
Let's look for Germany under number 16.
Rosemary's Crib.
Number 4 for the match.
Number 4. There's a great crib. Open it up. Aha. I recognize this woman. Pick again, Steve.
Number 1.
Green take.
And number 23.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Joanne, your chance?
I'd like number 10.
There's a wild card.
Oh, number 20.
20. For Frankenstein's Germany. The other holiday in Germany is at number 17. All right, a good prize going up on Joanne's side, and we open 3 panels for her. Pick again.
Reveal number 7, please.
Yes, we will. Silver gift certificate.
Oh, and number 5. Oh.
Red take. No match. Steve.
Let's go down in the corner, number 25.
Wild card.
I need the 5 seconds. Number 23.
5 seconds at number 23. The bonus car seconds. The others are at number 14. He wants those. Obviously, he feels he is going to solve the puzzle and win this game. Let's see what these three pieces do in terms of helping him. Go again.
Number 3.
There's another wild card.
I'll take the take at number 1.
Take at number 1. Green take. The other one. Number 8. Here it is.
Give me Germany.
Germany now. Madam Butterfly is a little ticked at you, Steve, but that's all right. She may get a chance a little later on with the red take. For the moment, we open these 3 panels for Steve Zengut. Select again.
Number 2.
Hearst phone.
Oh, we saw that. Number 7.
Silver gift certificate. Joanne.
We saw the Hearst phone under number 11.
No, we didn't. Let's go to plan B.
Okay. Could we try number 18?
No, Halloween badge for 25. Steve.
Number 5. And number 11 for the match.
All right. Man wanted the red tape. Just for protection. Just to prevent Joanne from getting a shot at one of his prizes. Just to be mean. Take a look, Steve. Pick again.
Number 18. Number 12.
Halloween bash for 25, and number 12 is a match. Looks like you're accumulating everything we've got up there, Steve. Open it up for him. See what happens. Pick again.
Number 22.
Diamond pearl ring.
Girlfriend would love that. Number 9.
Diamond and pearl ring.
She's getting it. She's getting it.
Joanne has no strikes against her, however, so it doesn't matter if she loses this game. She could make a big comeback in the next. But this is Steve's moment, and so we open these 2 doors. Go again.
6. We haven't seen that. Number 19.
Candelabras. Silver gift certificate. Joanne, here's your chance.
Oh, number 15.
Recliner.
And was that under number 13?
Was it? Yes, it was. I don't think we've seen it before. I think you just lucked out on that one, but that's all right. 2 panels in the middle of the puzzle opening up. Pick again.
Number 24.
Candelabras.
Number 6.
Candelabras. I can say it if I do it quickly. Candelabras. Another prize for Joanne. Another chance to win the game. Select again.
Number 21.
Hearst phone.
And number 2.
Hearst phone. So Joanne's going to get a look at everything. Steve's not going to have an opportunity to use this take. We'll open these 2 doors. We'll show you those 2 pieces, and then 7 and 19 for the silver gift certificate. You've got 4 prizes at stake, Joanne, and the lead in the match. Can you solve this puzzle?
The shy retiring type.
Looks like we've got a winner in Joanne Taylor, the shy retiring type. Including the shoes.
The is the, shy is SH plus I, shy. Retire is RE plus the tire. Ring and type, the shy retiring type.
All right. Here we go. Oh, Steve, you started off so well. You had a lot of prizes up there. A trip to Germany. It didn't work out. You got 1 strike against you, though, only, or one pumpkin against you.
Just 1.
And you'll get to play in the next game. We'll see you in that one in a little bit. But for the moment, we have Joanne smiling in anticipation of hearing about these prizes. Gene.
Candelabras, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select candelabras or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a silver gift certificate, an Oneida gift certificate for your choice from an elegant collection of full lead, mouth-blown, hand-cut crystal featuring stemware, barware, and giftware furnished by Oneida, and a recliner. Easy Rest offers this swivel glider recliner for your reclining comfort. Easy Motion furniture furnished by Easy Rest, and a Hearst phone, a small, lightweight, mobile cellular phone with such features as automatic retry, 100-number memory, and full 832-channel capacity. And Joanne, you have a prize package totaling $2,258.
All right, you've doubled your prize winnings, and you're going to get to play for the car again when we come back after this. Joanne, every time they put me in a cape, I get carried away and I start thinking of Count Dracula. You remember what he used to do? He used to put the cape over the woman like this, and then they'd disappear together. Well, we're not going to disappear. The 15 numbered squares are going to appear, and the clock showing 45 seconds will also appear, and I think you're going to win a brand new car, so go for it. Good luck.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
1, 4.
Right.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
3, 8.
Yes.
2, 7.
Yes.
9, 6.
No.
5, 10.
No.
11, 5.
No.
6, 11.
Yes.
12, 5.
Yes.
9, 15.
No.
13, 9.
Yes.
10, 14.
Yes! I told you you'd do it. All right, now we can hug. Hello, King.
Joanne, you've just won this Geo Metro two-door coupe. Features a 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and steel-belted radial tires, furnished by Chevrolet, a prize worth over $6,900.
Way to go, Joanne. Nicely done. That takes you over $10,000 in prize winnings on our program. The only advice I can give you now is on your way home, don't walk through Chinatown. Some guys will start hitting on you. I know. You've got 11,227. We'll take a break. We'll come back and play another game right after this. During the commercial break, Gene said it best. He said Alex is being joined by an angel. That's what Angela means. But she appears to be on the devil's side. This is Angela Robinson. Welcome aboard, Angela. Don't stick me with that. Good luck to you on the show. Take a look over here and we'll show you one of the beautiful prizes you're competing for.
Clavinova keyboards. Authentic piano sounds designed with easy play features that make playing music fun for everyone. Yamaha Clavinova keyboards, just for the fun of it.
Oh, shut up. Angela and Steve, could you tell which one was Marjorie? I couldn't. Let's show you where you can find... There she is. Let's look over here and we'll show you where you can find the beautiful musical instrument, the Phantom of the Opera keyboard at number 16. We have $600 in the cash pot, and once again, we have a holiday in Germany. We're really trying to get rid of that holiday in Germany. It's where? Oh, it's a Caribbean cruise. Thank you. They've just changed it. Angela, you go first.
Okay, I'm going to start in the corner with number 1.
Disney's Haunted Mansion.
Ooh, okay. Let's find the match for that under number 25.
25,
Cash pot.
No match. Steve, over to you.
Let's find the match for that cash pot. Right in the center, 13.
Gravedigger's Shovel.
Number 22.
No, Disney's Haunted Mansion. That's the cruise.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a Disney. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 4 tickets to Disneyland. We've got all these special prizes for Halloween week, and it makes it a little tough to keep track of them. 4 tickets to Disneyland.
Well, I know where that is.
Yes, you do.
And I'll have to pick number 1 and number 22.
Number 22. There you go. I thought that was the Disney Bahamas cruise that we often feature on our program. Let's open these 2 doors. Fa. I got it. It's fa. That's the solution. Fa. Angela, select again.
Let's go with number 5.
Porcelain lamps.
And number 21.
No, red take. Steve.
Let's open up the puzzle at number 8.
Cash pot.
Number 25.
25 is good for the cash pot. Whoa, she's mean. Watch out for the trident. Let's open it up here. Pick again.
9.
Caribbean Cruise.
Let's find a match for that under number 11.
Wild card. The other Caribbean Cruise. Show him. At number 19, 3 doors opening for Steve Zengut. Which door will you choose, my son? Pick again.
Number 10.
Woman's gold watch.
And number 16.
Phantom of the Opera keyboard. Angela.
Okay, now you showed us where that was. Oh, no, that was number 16. Okay. Gosh. I'm going to go with number 6.
Woman's gold watch.
And number 10 for the match.
There you go, just like that. Lady needs a watch. Open it up for her. Select again.
Okay, number 18.
Computer.
And let's look behind number 3.
Computer.
Yes!
All right. Angela's rolling. This must be her lucky trident.
This is, okay, give it back.
Oh, sorry. Open it up.
I need that.
Pick again.
Okay, let's look behind number 4.
Texas Chainsaw. Hey.
And why don't we try number 14?
Phantom of the Opera keyboard. No match there. Steve might make one.
16.
16 is where the other keyboard is.
And 14 for the match.
14 is a match. Got some good prizes. Keyboard, cruise, the cash
Solve the
pot.
puzzle.
Yeah, you've got to solve the puzzle because you've got to strike against you. Let's see what happens now. Go again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. Number 2 is where we're going to start revealing. Then 4, 5, 7. Oh, Angela's in.
Father knows best.
Is it Father Knows Best? Yes, it is. Poor Steve. Oh, Steve, you were about to come up with a solution a moment ago. Did you have it? Were you near?
No.
Oh,
For some reason, I was thinking Foghorn Leghorn.
Foghorn Leghorn. A funny character, but not a solution. Come on, Angela. Watch yourself. There you go. All right, you explain the puzzle.
Well, I saw the fa, but I couldn't get this guy's nose. So finally, I saw fa plus der plus
Ear.
ear knows best. Father knows best.
Father Knows Best. Yes.
Thanks.
Okay. It's all right. I'm here to help. Oh, poor Steve. He's not too happy, and I can't blame him. He came up against 2 really sharp women who managed to beat him to the buzzer, and they won, and you didn't. So we've got to say goodbye, Steve. I hope you had a good time with us.
I did.
You're a good sport. Take care. All right, Angela. Let's find out what you have won. Gene?
Disney's Haunted Mansion and a computer. The Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. And a woman's gold watch. Jean Dev brings new dimension to timekeeping with the watch that marries today's technology with yesterday's styling. The Sectora, 18-karat gold overlay and all Swiss made, furnished by Jean Dev Watches. And Angela, you little pumpkin, you have won prizes totaling $2,881.
And she might win a brand new car as well when we come back. Welcome back, folks. Angela, I wouldn't do this for everyone, but because you're young, beautiful, and you just had a baby, I'm going to let you wear my lucky cape for the bonus round. And now you can do it. You can do anything you want with this cape. 15 numbered squares, bonus time. No bonus time. Base time, 35 seconds on the clock. All right, good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 14.
Yes.
11, 5.
No.
13. 4.
No.
1. 5.
Yes.
3. 6.
No.
4. 6.
Yes.
9. 12.
No. Angela, if I were you, I'd throw away my lucky cape. It doesn't work. We'll take a break. You've got $2,881 in prizes, and you're coming back tomorrow. We're coming back, too, after this break.
Some of today's participants may receive the incredible Vax, a powerful vacuum cleaner that also washes carpets to keep them looking new, furnished by Vax. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Knowing us, we'll probably have more of this nonsense tomorrow, so you'd better join us then. So long, everyone. Where's my hands?
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.